igoti igikorirwo kana ni watho igikorirwo ukiheanwo ni igoti ria gucokia macira guku bururi-ini na no ndikia kana hau niho turakiruta kiuria kia muthenya wa umuthi hihi we murugamo waku na woni waku ni uriku iguru ria ndereti ino ya gukinyaniria ati igoti ria gucokia macira ni rikorirwo rikiheana watho uyu hihi murugamo waku ni uriku hihi ndikiwe kana we ni urakinyitanira na uge ucio wa igoti kana ni urakirana guo no kinyandikiro kinjira murugamo waku ni uriku kugerera nenda citu cia ukinyaniria kwa Facebook oro mwe na kwa Instagram na Twitter o guothe nginya akaunti-ini yakwa ya Facebook atumurugi jombo ikia ndumiriri yaku hau ningikorwo ngigikuona na riu tugithie na mbere ni ati muthenya wa umuthi ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja na oro mwe na Kenya Kwanza ni Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya ni magikorirwo makinyitanira hari igongona ria hamwe ya gukorwo magicakaya na kuririkana aria magikorirwo makigurara oro mwe na gutemio ya mirurungano-ini ya Azimio la Umoja na makiria iria yaikorirwo ikihanika kiumia kihituku ya thiku ithatu gukiri uguo atongoria matiganite ngwataniro ino magitongorio ni mundu gwitutie Raila Odinga, Kalonzo Musyoka na mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta Uhuru Kenyatta magikinya guku igongona-ini riri kunyitanira na aria maragicakaya
Mũng'ethanĩro nĩ ũtabanirie mahoya ma kũririkana arĩa maraguragĩra hingo ya mĩrũrũngano na kũrĩa maigĩrĩire mahũa ma kũririkana arĩa mateire mĩoyo yao hingo ya mĩrũrũngano na kũrĩa amwe arĩa manyitirwo maheirwo kanya ga kwĩitũrũra marĩa maragereire.
Nishika huyo askari Mnandi ambaye alileta vijana 30 usiku saa 8 wanipige. Aliniambia inajenga yeye tutamuua, lakini wewe tuta make sure hutawahi ongea na huyo Raila wenyu tutakuja kumwendea. Nasema bila kuogopa ya kwamba vijana wa ghetto mulidanganywa na bottom up, mukadanganywa na V8, mukaambiwa ya kwamba Raila Odinga ni dynasty. Leo ule mtu alikuwa anasema eti ndugu ya Yesu William Ruto ndio leo anawapiga risasi.
Mtoto wangu aliumizwa, ilinikasirisha sana, inabidi nijitokeze. Yose yenye Gaucho anasema imetuzoea, yenyewe ilinizoea. Hauna mahali pa kulala, umegongo ukijaribu kulala hivi, hii yote ni mbaya. Ukilala hivi, hii yote ni mbaya. Ukisimama mguu inakuuma.
The Bible says that blessed are those who mourn, for the Lord shall comfort them. Like 2013 and 2017, Baba and his brother Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta rose above against your wishes when you wanted more people just to be killed. Rose above and decided to shelve his ambition. So between you and Baba, who is thirsty of blood?
In fact, this regime is totally afraid of everything and anything. As we speak, they are also intimidating the banks not to allow us to open a bank account, to collect funds, support those who have been injured, the families of those who have died. They are intimidating everybody.
We know what we are fighting for, and we will fight for it until the last man.
Article 244 of our Constitution, the police are supposed to be a service. They are supposed to look after the people, not to terrorize the people of Kenya.
Mutongoria wa Kalonzo Musyoka uria thomire ndomiri ya Azimio augite aria matire miturire yao kiria maretagia ni thirikari guithie garama ya muturire uria batete makiria na kuria heanie namba ya guteithia Kenya aria maguraria na guthii hadhara hingo ya mirurungano.
People we lost in these protests did not have to die. Those who are hurt did not have to suffer that fate. All that they were asking for was for the Kenya Kwanza regime to drop the harsh taxes and lower the cost of basic commodities. Even as we continue to mourn, celebrate and pray for the victims, we are going a step further and we're launching a Citizens Emergency Fund to offer practical support to families of the dead and the injured.
Ohoni hinyiri kuwa nimegudhia bego thikata thikari ni kwa batira kwa garama ya muturire hamwe na kuhetũka kwa watho wa kigina.
We know that we are told that the Court of Appeal has lifted the orders suspending implementation of the infamous Finance Act. What that means is Kenyans are now going to be even more heavily taxed. Is there not a cause?
Victor Nelson, Purity Joseph, and Leon.
Ngatho cia mwanya muno mundu gwitwo tikagira wagi